Well, China has had pretty much a monopoly on producing rare earth minerals and selling them to everyone, and it's been quite chaotic. To understand this, you got to kind of understand what rare earth minerals is. I'm going to do a full blog post on this soon to fully understand it, but long story short, there are 17 rare earth minerals, and um, they're very, very abundant. So the word rare is kind of a silly word to describe them, but they're called rare earth. So we'll call them rare earth. They're everywhere. They're everywhere and they're nowhere. The problem with rare earth minerals is they are everywhere, but they're not in an identifiable quantity. Like when we want to mine coal, we find a package of coal and we go down and get it. We want to mine iron, we find an area with iron and go down and get it. We want to mine oil, we find a spot that has oil and we go down and get it. Well, that doesn't work for rare earth minerals. They're just everywhere and they're very difficult to sift out. So China's been the main producer of rare earth minerals because China's willing to destroy everything, their land and everything, to produce rare earth minerals because they're so valuable and so costly. And so when you see these big mines, these strip mines that you see online sometimes of what it takes to produce the energy for a battery in a cell phone and how that's destroying the environment and what it takes for energy to produce the battery for a car, and what it takes to the generator for a like a windmill, like a wind turbine that's going to produce electricity. When you see those mines, I mean, those are actual mines, and what they're doing is they're digging up all the dirt and rolling all the dirt through this rare earth mineral extractor and pulling out all the rare minerals. And then the process also, the rare earth minerals are difficult to separate into their separate elements and all of that, so they're usable. And so it just creates a crazy amount of waste and a crazy amount of destruction of the environment, and China's been the one willing to do it. So they have a monopoly on rare earth minerals. The problem is every cell phone, all of our magnets, all of our cell phones, all of our flat screen LED, LCD type of telephones, all of our jet engines and aerospace stuff and spaceships and medical equipment like MRIs and X-ray machines and stuff. All those use a ton of rare earth minerals, and we have to buy those from China, which can be a problem because it's expanding so quick. If we leave China as a monopoly, we don't start mining them other places in the world, we're going to find ourselves in a huge hole to China because they'll be able to control it.